Hey everyone, it's Danny with Watches.com, and I'm going to show you one of the coolest watches on our site, and probably one of the biggest. This is the Mazzucato R.I.M automatic. What's cool about this watch, it has two movements, an automatic on top and a chrono on the bottom. And you can flip it to wear either way. So let's take a look, and I think you're going to be impressed. The Mazzucato box is insane. For one, it's huge. So the packaging features a quick release latch, just like the watch. All right, look at this thing. Crazy, right? So the top dial is really dimensional, and it's designed after luxury car rims. And then you have the super cool hands that are unlike any other watch. And then what it's built on is a Miyota 9 series, which is as good as it gets. Now let's check out the coolest part about this watch. Flipping it. Awesome, right? On the bottom of the watch, you have a chronograph. The bottom pusher starts it, stops it, and the top pusher resets it. So you get two watches in one. All right, now we're gonna flip it back and put it on the wrist. Hope you enjoyed this video. Just remember, you can find this watch and 1,000 other cool watches on Watches.com. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.